Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to talk about the Subtitles program, which appears to be quite a questionable application. But well, first things first, let me explain what this program is, how it appeared in your system, and why you should remove it as soon as possible. So, Subtitles is a questionable application that resides in your system, specifically in the app data roaming folder. It may look like a legitimate application, but don't be fooled by the fact that it has its files stored in an ordinary form. In fact, Subtitles has a lot of properties that may be used to gather sensitive data from the infected system. Some sources say it is adware, but it in fact does not show any typical signs of this malware. Probably it has a delay in activity start, which is not typical for adware, or what is more probable, it just has different functionality. If we open Task Manager, we will see the strange NWJS process. These are instances of the Node WebKit JavaScript framework. They are harmless by design, but can be exploited by malware, particularly by the one which bears heavily on network connectivity. Among such malware, yes, you guessed it right, is spyware, stealers, backdoors, and similar nasty stuff. The file scan.io sandbox confirms this point. The file properties and actions it does in the system point at its malignancy, even though neither I nor researchers have detected any further malicious activity from the process. Still, it can carry out dirty things, and that is already the reason to get rid of it as soon as possible, just to avoid giving it a chance. But how did it even appear in your system? Well, most probably, you have installed it with a free program of some kind. Freeware developers often use bundling as a way to monetize their effort, but sometimes they skip any validation. Another often source of subtitles malware is advertisements on questionable sites. They offer you to install an extremely useful app for your PC or ultimate system booster, and usually spread unwanted application under this disguise. And Subtitles is among them. For dealing with the Subtitles malware, I'd recommend using Greensoft anti-malware. This lightweight and efficient anti-malware program will make this malicious thing gone for good. You'll find the downloading link in the description. As Subtitles does not likely have any complicated anti-removal tricks, standard scan will be enough. It won't take much time and will detect and remove any malware placed on the system disk. You can already see that the Greensoft program has detected the subtitles. Let's give it a bit more time to finish the scan. Now, once the scanning process is over, let's click Clean Now to get rid of the Subtitles malware. Manual removal may not be that effective. You can simply miss other threats introduced by or appeared together with Subtitles. Now the system is clean. Good luck and stay safe online.